हेलो दोस्तों। हेलो दोस्तों, कैसे हो आप लोग। मैं हूं आपका भाई GTX मोटे। आज का ये वीडियो बहुत खतरनाक ओपी गॉड लेवल होने वाला है, क्योंकि पता ही होगा मैं बहुत बार बोया करता हूँ क्योंकि मैं प्रो हूँ। लेकिन इस वाले मैच में ना मैं बहुत ज़्यादा मारा था, लेकिन मेरे दोस्त ने रिवाइव करके करके मुझे ये वाला मैच बोया दिलाया है। देखना है आपने कैसे करा है। बहुत हार्ड था, लेकिन मेरा और मेरे दोस्त ने इंटेंस सिचुएशन में भी ये मैच निकाल के दिया है, बोया निकाला है। बहुत खतरनाक है, आप देखेंगे तो चौंक जाओगे कैसे निकाला है ये। इसलिए कमेंट कर देना, सारे शेयर कर देना, सब्सक्राइब कर देना भाई लोग, इससे मुझको मोटिवेशन मिलेगा। और भाई लोग इन तक जरूर देखना, बहुत मजा आने वाला है।
Heads up! Enemy dropping close! Got a gun!
एक झांट भर का आदमी ऐसा कर कैसे सकता है।
هاكر يا جماعة، لو انتبهتوا لحركاته هاكر.
Counting all these racks, money so long. I told her goodbye, had to float off. I can't take no L, can't take no loss. She get cut off, told her so long, so long, told her so long. Had to leave that girl alone, she was so lost. I got money on me now, I had to count up. Had to run it all, I had to get up.
बाप का, दादा का, भाई का, सबका बदला लेकर तेरा फैजल।
Had to grow up like the sun, yeah. I'm the one, yeah. She say I'm the one, yeah. But I don't believe the lies. You should apologize, yeah. Come on, be the guy that you lied to. No, you can't waste my time, cause I ain't got no time to waste. Yeah, money in your face, yeah. Counting all these racks, money so long. I told her goodbye, had to slow down. I can't take no L, can't take no loss. She get cut off, told her so long, so long, told her so long. Had to leave that girl alone, she was so lost. I got money on me now, I had to count up, had to run it up.
Thanks.
Love you. Forever.
Had to get out. Do you know right from left? You never do right. You be right here while I'm too right. I got money on me, you walk too light. I walk too heavy, pull up in a Chevy. Don't hold the brake, yeah. I can't fuck, I want the hay. Hey, told that bitch to come pull up. Uber, I might have the scooper. And I'm ballin' out, NBA Hooper. Counting all these racks, money so long. I told her goodbye, had to float off. She get cut off. Told her so long, so long. Told her so long. Had to leave that girl alone, she was so lost. I got money on me now, had to count up. Had to run it on, had to get out. So long, told her so long. Had to leave that girl alone, she was so lost. I got money on me now, had to count up. Had to run it on, had to get out.
मैं तो तेरे को हरामी समझता था, तू तो राम निकला रे, देव मानुस निकला रे।
Thanks.
Come on, my nigga, we gon' go, my nigga, for all of my doors in the pen. You said you was gang, but you never hanging, I guess it was a myth. The picture I paint is never gonna change, RPG, we gonna win. Spending this cash, roll to the back, we can do this shit all again. Come on, my nigga, we gon' go, my nigga, for all of my doors in the pen. You said you was gang, but you never hanging, I guess it was a myth. The picture I paint is never gonna change, RPG, we gonna win. Spending this cash, roll to the back, we can do this shit all again. They all in the front, they show me love, them bitches, they bought their friends. Got racks in my pants and 10 in my hands, look how long I wait for this. I'm Mary Jeans with Dolce Gabbana, Fendi T, I might throw in the Pradas. I'm still flying, I do what I want, who the Prince of Flatbush. I'm the king of my hood, now let's see how that look. DC to New York, just know we all good. But nigga, don't forget who was down for you. Most these bitches was clowning you. Switch on me, I never lied to you. Now you pull up, I got rounds for you, yeah, yeah, yeah. Come on, my nigga, we gon' go, my nigga, for all of my doors in the pen. You said you was gang, but you never hanging, I guess it was a myth. The picture I paint is never gonna change, RPG, we gonna win. Spending this cash, roll on to the back, we can do this shit all again. Come on, my nigga, we gon' go, my nigga, for all of my doors.
बड़ी 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 बातें ऐसा है तो लंबी 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 बातें
We gonna win. Spending this cash around to the back, we can do this shit all again. We can do this shit all again. Knew what I wanted at the age of 10. No matter story or path, I always knew money was gonna be the end. Did what I want with no consequence. Now we gon' ball at the score again. We not allowed in the store again. I think cause we bought all the clothes again. All of them packages made a shit. Found a new beat and I made a hit. This is the story I started with. We got a boat to the max. Couple bands on my neck. Flying through cash and checks. You don't gotta second guess. I know I'ma be the best. I know I'ma be the best, yeah. Same nigga from the block. Same nigga from the steps. Roll the dice, play it twice. You just might lose your life.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
City, I'm getting wild, let's go fuck up the city, yeah, yeah. Come on, my nigga, we gon' go, my nigga, for all of my doors in the pen. You said you was gang, but you never hanging, I guess it was a myth. The picture I paint is never gonna change, RPG, we gonna win. Spending this cash around to the back, we can do this shit all again. Come on, my nigga, we gon' go, my nigga, for all of my doors in the pen. You said you was gang, but you never hanging, I guess it was a myth. The picture I paint is never gonna change, RPG, we two damn phones. Don't feel the same, no, I don't wanna feel this way. I can't escape, you know, no. My heart is racing, no, no. You took my place and I can't take it back.
सो गाइज आज का वीडियो यही था। अच्छा लगा तो कमेंट, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब कर देना ताकि तुम्हारे फ्रेंड भी इसे मज़ा ले पाएंगे यार। तुम ही मज़ा ले रहे हो, तुम्हारे दोस्त भी मज़ा लेगा इस वीडियो का। और लाइक जल्दी बता देना कैसा लगा वीडियो, और सब्सक्राइब बढ़ा देना यार तुम्हारे भाई का। क्या हो जाएगा भाई, भला हो जाएगा भाई। पीस आउट।